my name is Sikun Jodi. I'm a student of class 12th of Alvin Public School, Mamund, Kent. In this video, I'm going to talk about some real-life applications of three mathematical concepts: integration, differentiation, and trigonometry. So without taking much time, let's get into it. Number one is integration. The concept of integration is applied by scientists for calculating the velocity and the trajectory of a satellite so that they can ensure that how much thrust should be given to a satellite so that it comes into a desired orbit. And the real life application of integration is that it can also be used for determining the acceleration, velocity, and even the time period of a moving object. Number two is differentiation. The use of differentiation can be observed in seismology, where the seismologists, which are commonly known as the earth scientists, use the concept to find the range of magnitudes of earthquakes. Also, the concept of differentiation is used to check the temperature variations, which align us with the info that when the temperature is high, when the temperature is low. Number three is trigonometry. The use of trigonometry can be observed in construction, where the architects use the concept for measuring the fields and the areas of a certain structures, for roof inclination, for making parallel and perpendicular walls, for measuring dimensions of a building, etc. And the real life application of trigonometry is that it helps in the production of sound and music. As we all know that sound travels in the form of waves, and it's obvious that computers cannot listen and comprehend to the music as we do. So they represent it mathematically in the forms of waves, which means that the sound engineers or the music producers should know at least the basics of trigonometry so that they can produce a music or a sound which make people fall in love with it. See, as a student, yes, I found mathematics sometimes boring. A lot of thoughts trigger in my mind. Why I'm doing this, what is the fun of doing trigonometric functions, integrations, etc, etc. But while I was doing preparation for this project, I searched on the internet regarding the topic, and I came to learn about a lot new things. I learned about the integration, how it is used, where it is used, about the differentiation and trigonometry. So yes, I feel that real life application should be taught along with the conceptual theory so that the mathematics subject become more relatable and interesting to the students. So that's all I got. I want to end this with a note that if you want to fall in love with maths, start relating it to the real life. Thank you very much.